G-Ken presents Home Remedies for Baldness. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Of course, nobody likes the idea of being bald. This is something that affects a lot of men as well as women though. Working to regrow hair is not always easy. This can also cause a substantial amount of stress as you are trying everything under the sun to make hair actually grow back. Fret not, there are several home remedies that have been known to actually work. Just finding what will work best for you is extremely time-consuming since you need to give each remedy a chance to actually work. How do you feel about onions? Most people are not huge fans of onion, particularly the smell. The benefits to your scalp are potentially huge though. Did you even stop to consider that the same food you put on your hamburger could also help you to regrow a bit of hair? This is a concept that is out of the realm for most people, but it is true. Taking a piece of onion and rubbing it over the bald part of your head until it is slightly red, then applying honey for a short period has been known to help improve the circulation of the scalp and in turn improve hair growth. Another popular choice is the usage of coconut milk and also a bit of aloe vera gel. By mixing together equal parts of the gel and coconut milk, you will have a nice paste that you can use to spread around on your scalp and help stimulate the hair follicles to regrow hair. It is very important that you leave the treatment on for at least 30 minutes each time and do this a minimum of 3 times each week. After a couple of weeks, you should begin to notice some very small hairs regrowing. Everyone knows that apple cider vinegar is a truly remarkable remedy. This can also be used to assist in hair growth as well. Adding this to the already long list of remedies that apple cider vinegar is capable of is certainly a shock for some people, but it is a reality. Add equal parts of the apple cider vinegar to a bit of sage tea and use it to rinse out the hair. This will help to also stimulate the hair follicles and help you to find a bit of fuzz regrowing. If you do not see any immediate improvements, try not to give up all of the hopes you have at first. There are several reasons why you might not see immediate results. This can range from a bad diet, to stress, to even problems with your overall health. Instead of looking to purchase any expensive treatments, always take a bit of time to see a doctor and ensure that you are not experiencing any serious medical problems that could be impacting your hair growth negatively. Perhaps the doctor will be able to find a problem, which would allow the remedy to work better. If nothing else, this would allow you to determine for certain that the remedy is not effective for your needs so that you can move on to pick out a new remedy to work with. Never just struggle along trying to force a remedy to work that is not effective. There are far too many choices that can help you to continue struggling for success. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.